Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the language in the Condor Airlines application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Language button. And as you can see, there are two language options to choose from, English and German. So just click on the one that you want to set. And I'm going to set English. And once there's a green tick, it means that the language is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.